Okay, I think we're on. I think we're on. I'm not sure. This is new. This is this is me doing a video directly to YouTube, so I'm not really sure how this is really going to work out. But just want to say, yeah, really good. Good to jump on here and do this quick training video for new guys into my group and for all of you that are looking to get started online. In January, I'm putting a new training course together, which is going to carry over about 6 weeks, and the idea is to put the course together with 6 modules, and every week, most probably on a Monday evening, we're going to be doing a live off social mastermind group, which most we do through Loom, and then every week I'll be giving you new tasks and challenges to do, and that will be up to you to get those done and get those finished before the next mastermind session comes on. And the whole idea is over this 6-week period you'll be setting up and growing your business. So your online business will start off with obviously all the tools and getting you set up, and then we'll be going through some strategies and some ideas to start making you some money online. That's what we're going to be doing. So what I wanted to do today was just to go through one of the fundamental things that you need to do, and that is when you start an online business, especially if you're, obviously let's talk about social media, right? So if you're going to start an online business and you decide, okay, I'm going to use social media, I'm going to use Facebook. Let's talk about Facebook because that's what I do a lot of. I'm going to use Facebook to start promoting myself and on there, and I'm going to start trying to use Facebook as my main marketing platform so I can get my business online successful and started and start making money. So one of the things you need to decide is when you start with Facebook is that you have to say, okay, it's going to be public, right? So if you're not comfortable with that, if you're not comfortable with people seeing what your daily life is about, if you're one of these people that likes to post cat videos or babies farting or I don't know, crash test dummies or whatever else you like to do, right? That's okay. So if you want to carry on doing that, that's all right. But if you want to start to go public with your profile and go public with you as coming across as someone that's really serious and you want to get your business online started properly in the professional way, then you should consider setting up a second Facebook profile. Now I don't do that. I only have one Facebook profile. And the reason I have one Facebook profile is because I just don't have the time. I don't have the time to run 2 or 3 different Facebook profiles. And, for me, it just works best if I work on one. And I don't post any silly videos as well and stuff like that. But normally I do put pictures on there of my family and things that I'm doing and stuff like that. But, I do keep my profile clean and business-like, and it's my profession, right? So that's what I do. So maybe some 2 or 3 pointers that you need to look at when you're doing Facebook, and I'm going to cover this in the course in January. And the thing is that your profile picture is very, very important on your profile, and you should change that so it's a profile picture of you facing the camera, looking good, whatever, but it should be mostly a sort of a upper body head shot, so it's very clear who you are. Your Facebook cover picture should be something with you in it, some sort of lifestyle shot, something like that, rather than sort of a quote or just a nice picture of the sea or whatever. It should have you in it as well, and maybe someone with your family as well or whatever, but it should be more based on your profile shot, right? So that's what it should be. The other thing that's important on Facebook on your profile is your featured picture, or your featured photo. Now, in the beginning, I used to have about 4 or 5 different photos in there and stuff. And then what you need to do is you need to only have one in there. And I'll show you in January what to do with that photo. That photo really could be something that people, they can see about you. It's not actually a picture about you. It's actually your product that you're trying to promote online. And there's a way for people to see that when they first go to your profile. When you're selecting new friends online, people are always going to see your profile, and that's one of the first things they're going to see. And above that profile should be a link to your website or your sign-in opt-in page or something like that. So that's very important to do as well. And then another thing that's very important is to post daily. right? Publish daily is what we like to say in the industry. And you could be doing live videos, you could be doing quotes, you could be doing value posts, whatever, but you need to be posting daily, and you need to be able to go through Facebook, and you need to be able to comment and like and love and whatever else on other people's posts as well, so that you create sort of an interest with other people, and you like other people's posts, and you comment on their posts, and they'll come back and do the same to you. So part of the training course in January is to go through the whole Facebook social media presence thing, so that you can get a bit of an understanding about why it's so important to present yourself correctly on social media. So yeah, that's it really. Have a little look at my profile page, and join me on Facebook. I'd like you to become a friend of mine. So say you saw my, if you've become a friend of mine here, then say, yeah, I saw your video on YouTube, good to connect or whatever. I also have 2 other pages as well. One is about my coaching page as well. So that's Daniel Parsons. Coach Daniel Parsons is a page of mine, and I do a lot of stuff in there as well. And I also have a group which is called Getting Started Online, and I'm going to be using this group for the training course starting in January. So if you're interested in joining me in January, I'm going to put the details down soon. So look out for a link below, and join me on Facebook, as I said. And if you're interested in that, I'm going to have a pre-qualifying questionnaire, because I'm only taking on about 10 people for this mastermind, because I want to be able to give as much value as possible. And the course is most probably going to be it's going to be a really good deal. Anyway, let's put it that way, with lots of bonuses thrown in as well. The whole idea is to take people that really want to get their business online started, and they need a helping hand to do that. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So until then, it's December 23rd. That's right. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going on holiday for 10 days. So I will be doing stuff whilst I'm away. You'll see me doing stuff in Japan. But yeah, looking forward to that, and I'm looking forward to 2020. So have a good time, and I'll catch up with you soon. Cheers, bye.